guys, and welcome to this session on what is generative AI. If you have been hearing a lot about ChatGPT, 𝐑𝐴𝐸, Midjourney or AI tools that can generate text, images, music or even code, you are already brushing up against the power of generative AI. But what exactly is it? How does it work? And more importantly, where is it heading? Generative AI is one of the most exciting and fast-moving fields in tech today. It's transforming industries, changing the way we work and opening up entirely new career opportunities. Whether you're a student, a professional looking to upskill, or just curious about the future of AI, you're in the right place. Stick with us till the end because we are not only going to explain what Gen AI is, but we will also break down tools, roadmaps, ethical concerns, and real career paths that you can follow. So here's what we will be covering in this session. First, we will understand the core concept of generative AI and how it differs from traditional AI. Next, we will explore generative AI examples to see real-world use cases across different industries. Next, we will explore top 15 powerful Gen AI tools you need to know, where we will discover the most widely used tools in text, image, and audio generation. Moving on to Gen AI Roadmap, a step-by-step path to learn and grow your Gen AI skills. And then, we will discuss the challenges and responsibilities that come with creating and using generative models, followed by which we will explore the roles, skill sets, and industries hiring Gen AI professionals. And then, we will get a glimpse into where this technology is heading and how you can stay ahead of the curve. But before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech content from Edureka. Also check out Edureka's postgraduate program in Generative AI and Machine Learning. In collaboration with Illinois Tech, it presents an exceptional opportunity to dive into the exciting world of generative AI and develop cutting-edge AI-powered solutions. This comprehensive program covers highly sought-after topics including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, prompt engineering, generative AI, large language models, retrieval-augmented generation, agentic AI, and much more. So learn directly from industry experts through hands-on real-world use cases crafted for practical learning. So check out the course link given in the description box below. Alright, let us get started with our first topic, what is generative AI? Imagine the world just a few years back, when technology quietly advanced in the background. Then suddenly, generative AI hit the headlines. Media channels everywhere were abuzz with articles exploring the capabilities and potential of this new wave of technology. The real tipping point came in March 2023 when OpenAI launched GPT-4, a model so advanced it could outperform 90% of human test takers on the SAT, which determines college admission in the US. However, GPT-4's capabilities extended far beyond academics. OpenAI revealed that it also excelled in fields like law and medicine, taking tests and demonstrating proficiency in knowledge-intensive domains. Within just 2 months of its release, ChatGPT powered by GPT-4 had captivated over 100 million users. This unprecedented adoption made waves, sparking discussions on AI's role in the future of work, communication, and knowledge sharing. Yet, alongside the fascination came a fair share of concerns. Experts began to speculate about the future. Could AI evolution hit a plateau by 2030? The excitement of this advancement was tempered by reports predicting that AI could significantly impact the job market, as tools like ChatGPT found real-world application in areas as high stakes as legal trials, where lawyers were reportedly using large language models to assist in cases. In today's transformative era, it's clear that generative AI is reshaping our world. So, what exactly is generative AI? And how does it work? More importantly, what does the rise of GPT-4 means for us? And where might it lead? So, what is generative AI? Simply put, it's a type of artificial intelligence that can produce new content across various formats. Here are a few areas where it's making a huge impact. First, content creation. It is generating text, articles, and blog posts, saving hours for writers and content creators. Next, image generation. Creating visuals or art from the text prompts as seen in models like 𝐑𝐴𝐸 now on its third version. Next, coding assistance. providing code suggestions and completions with tools like GitHub Copilot helping developers. Next, language translation, breaking down language barriers in real time through advanced translation models. Then, personalized healthcare, enhancing medical treatments by tailoring recommendations based on individuals' patient data. And finally, marketing and optimization. It helps establish marketing strategies in businesses. And these capabilities make generative AI a versatile technology that is reshaping industries. So let's examine some real-world applications and see how they work. Generative AI is at the core of many revolutionary applications today. We have text generation. From producing entire articles to summarizing content, tools like GPT-4 are transforming content creation across industries. Next, language translation. AI-powered translation tools are improving cross-language communications by understanding context. Then, writing assistants. Grammarly or similar tools refine grammar, tone and clarity, assisting professionals and students alike. Next, we have business AI. Models are making business insights accessible, automating support, and enhancing decision-making. Next, music generation. AI is now venturing into creativity, composing unique tracks and musical elements. Finally, machine learning models. Platforms like H2O.ai are giving access to machine learning models, allowing users without deep expertise to create powerful models. Now that we understood the potential of generative AI, and now let's go deeper into how it actually works. So to understand how generative AI operates, let's break down the process. First, define objective. So start with a clear goal, whether it's generating text, creating an image, or assisting with code. Next, gather and pre-process data. So collect and prepare data, ensuring it's clean and structured with the model. Then, choose appropriate model. So select or design a model tailored to your needs, sometimes building on pre-existing models. Next, train the model. Feed data into the model so it can learn patterns and build into knowledge base. Next, evaluate and refine. So fine-tune the model as needed to optimize its efficiency and accuracy. Then, test and validate. Run tests to measure performance and accuracy, ensuring it aligns with the objectives. And finally, deploy and iterate. So once ready, deploy the model and continue refining it with user feedback and data. And this cycle ensures generative AI models stay relevant and improve over time. Now, moving on to the examples of generative AI tools. So many generative AI tools are available today, each with its own speciality. Tools like GitHub Copilot for coding, DALL-E 3 for image generation, and advanced language models like GPT are among the top players. And if you're curious to explore these tools further, check out the video link in the description covering popular generative AI examples. Now, let's look at the growing presence of generative AI across different sectors. First, in healthcare. Generative AI is projected to reach a $17.2 billion market by 2032, transforming clinical applications and healthcare systems. Next, education. The AI-driven education market is expanding, especially for students, teachers, and administrators, making personalized learning more accessible. And then, workspace. Generative AI adoption is rising with the highest impact in marketing and tech industries, followed by sectors like consulting and healthcare. Each graph shows a significant trend as generative AI is becoming integral in diverse fields and reshaping workplace roles. As we look ahead, generative AI is set to transform even more areas. And here are some key impacts we can expect. In AI-driven creativity, from art to music, AI will open new creative horizons. Next, AI personalizations. Tailored user experience will become the norm. Then, real-time generation. Real-time content generation will improve virtual assistants and automated responses. Next, AI in architecture. AI will assist architects in design and material optimization. Then, human-AI collaboration. As AI matures, humans and AI will work in tandems to maximize productivity and innovation. Then, advanced AI models. We will see even more sophisticated models pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Generative AI's future is promising, so with potential benefits that will enhance lives and drive economic growth. Now, are you guys ready to get hands-on? Stick around for a mini LLM project where we will build a YouTube video summarizer. We will show you how to extract video transcript, and then we will use an LLM to generate summaries and build a user-friendly interface using Streamlit. Are you excited? So now let's jump in. So first things first, we need a solid environment for our project. First, open your terminal and let's create a new Conda environment to keep everything organized. Let's run the code using VS Code. You can also use other code editors such as PyCharm, but let's use VS Code for now. Now in the terminal, let's type the command for setting up the Conda environment in your editor. For that, run this command. Just type conda create -p virtual environment, which is venv python, and equal to, we are using 3.10, which is the Python version, and give -y. Here, the -p venv specifies the path and the environment name, while the -y skips prompt for a smoother install. So now while that's setting up, let's create a few essential files. So first, we will create a .env file for our API keys and environment variables. Next, we will create a requirements.txt file for the libraries we will need, such as YouTube transcript API to extract transcript from YouTube, and Streamlit for our front end, then Google Generative for accessing the Google Gemini API, also the python.env for handling environment variables, and pathlib for the better path management. Now, with our files in place, let's set up the Google Gemini API access. Now, head over to the makersuite.google.com, and as you can see on the screen in the top left corner, you will get the API key interface. And once you click that, it will redirect us to the API key interface. Here, you can see a button which is Create API Key. So simply click on that and select your model and press Create API Key in the existing project, and then your API key will be generated. Now, copy your API key, and once you have got the API key, open your environment file and add it there. So for that, let's create a variable Google_API_key. Over here, we will paste the API key. So once that is done, back in the terminal, activate your new environment with the command conda activate virtual environment \, which is venv. Since I've already installed Conda in my system, it's not taking much time. So while you're installing, it might take little time. Now let us install requirements.txt in our terminal. And for that, the command is pip install -r requirements.txt. So once you enter, the files present in the requirements.txt will get installed. Awesome. So now let's move to the main code setup. So for that, open app.py and start with imports. First, let us import some important libraries. So for that, import Streamlit as st. From .env, import load.env, and next load_.env, which will load environment variables. And next, let's import google.generative as GenAI, and also import OS, and from YouTube transcript API, import YouTube transcript API. So let's go to the YouTube transcript API and check if you're doing it correctly, because in some system it doesn't work. So you can simply go here and copy this command and paste it into your terminal. Now let's move on to configure the API key. So for that, just type genai.configure, and inside the bracket, just type API_key equal to os dot get env, and inside the bracket, let's add the Google API key here. Now, to prompt our model, we will use a template like this. So simply type, please summarize this YouTube video transcript in 250 words or less, highlighting key points. Now moving on to extracting YouTube transcript. So for that, to fetch the transcript, we will create a function. So here in this code, as you can see on the screen, The function extract transcript details takes the YouTube URL as an input and retrieves the transcript of the video if available. First, it extracts the video ID from the URL by splitting the URL at the equal sign and taking the second part. And using YouTube transcript API .getTranscript video ID, it fetches the transcript data for the video ID. And it then combines the text from each part of the transcript into a single string. And if there is an error, like example, no transcript available, it prints the error and returns none. So this function effectively converts a YouTube video URL into its textual transcript. Next, let's write a function to generate the summary. Here, the �Generate_Gemini_Content function generates the content based on the combination of transcript text and a prompt. So it first initializes a generative AI model called Gemini, and then the model creates a content processing the combined input of prompt and transcript text. And finally, it returns the generated text from the model's response. So this function effectively uses the Gemini model to produce AI-generated content based on the specific text inputs. Now, let's move on to building the front end. Now, to connect it all with Streamlit, first add a button labeled Get Detailed Notes. So when clicked, it prompts the user to enter a YouTube link in a text input field. And it uses the Extract Transcript Details YouTube link to get video transcript. So if the transcript is successfully retrieved, it generates a detailed summary with Generate Gemini Content, Transcript Text or Prompt. So finally, it displays the summary under the headings Detailed Summary. Now let's give a finishing touch to our app. So for that, let's make it look great. You can add headers and also you can give a footer, and maybe you can also add a YouTube icon to it, and even customize colors. And incorporating thumbnails, if the link is valid, will create an even richer experience. Now let us test the app. So finally, let's run a command, streamlit run app.py. As you can see on the screen, our app is successfully running, and now let's check if it's running fine. So for that, let's open our YouTube, and here select a video that you want a summary of. So copy the link, paste a YouTube link into the app and hit generate. As you can see on the screen, it is running, and in just a second, you will get the summary of the video. It has given us the summary of the video. Also, there is no limit to the app, and it will consider even the longer videos. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we created a powerful YouTube summarizer using Streamlit and Google Gemini. Now, let's get started by understanding the evolution of generative AI. In 1932, George Armstrong invented a machine he reportedly called the mechanical brain to translate between languages using a mechanical computer encoded onto punch cards. And then, in 1966, MIT professor Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot, Eliza, which simulates conversation with a psychotherapist. And in 2011, Apple released Siri, a voice-powered personal assistant that generates responses and takes action in response to voice requests. Also, by the end of 2022, OpenAI developed ChatGPT, which was trained on 40 gigabytes of data and consists of 117 million parameters. GPT paves the way for subsequent language models in content generation, chatbots, and language translation. So, the preparation of generative AI started before 1932 and is still developing at much faster rate. Now, let us understand what generative AI is. Generative AI or generative artificial intelligence refers to the use of AI to create new content such as text, images, music, and audio videos. It is powered by large AI models that can multitask and perform out-of-the-box tasks including summarization, question and answers, classification, and more. And the best examples of generative AI are ChatGPT by OpenAI and Gemini by Google. Now that we have a clear understanding of what generative AI is and how it works, so let us now explore its real-world impact. Well, generative AI has a wide range of application across various industries, transforming the way we create and interact with content. So let's take a look at some of the most compelling use cases. The following image shows a flowchart of advancement in healthcare technology.
So it starts with general healthcare and then moves to medical image synthesis for better diagnostics, and next is drug discovery and development, followed by personalized medicine, which tailors treatments to individual patients for better care and outcomes. And the next image displays a flowchart of developments in finance and trading. So it begins with general finance and trading, followed by algorithmic trading, which automates trades, and then it shows predictive market analysis to forecast trends, and finally, the high-frequency trading algorithms that quickly execute trades to take advantage of small market movements. And the next image shows the growth of AI-powered content creation. It starts with the basic content creation and then moves to generating art and music, followed by automating content for marketing, and finally, with the development of virtual assistants and chatbots, highlighting how AI is improving content production. And the last image illustrates the progression of AI in natural language processing. So it starts with basic NLP and then text generation for content creation, followed by sentiment analysis, and finally the language translation that includes sentiment analysis, showing how AI is becoming more advanced in understanding and interacting with human language. I hope you all got an idea now on how AI is shaping these industries and making tasks easier and more efficient. Now, moving on to the impact of generative AI on industries. So the image provides a breakdown of the impact of generative AI across various industries, categorizing tasks into 4 key areas, such as higher potential for automation, higher potential for augmentation, lower potential for augmentation and automation, and non-language tasks. So the data shows that the industries like banking, insurance, and software have a higher potential for automation, while the sectors like natural resources, the customer goods have a lower potential. So this analysis provides a valuable insights for businesses seeking to leverage AI for efficiency and innovation. Now, let us explore the forefront of generative AI with these powerful tools. From coding assistants like GitHub Copilot to text generators like 𝐂𝐻𝐿, and image creators like Midjourney, these innovative platforms are transforming industries and unlocking new creative possibilities. So join us as we explore the diverse landscape of generative AI and its potential to transform how we work and create. First on the list, we have GPT-4. GPT-4 is a state-of-the-art language model capable of generating human-quality text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. Its advanced features include improved factual accuracy, reduced bias, and the ability to handle more complex prompts. So GPT-4 can be used for various applications such as content creation, customer service, language translation, and education. So as you can see the screen, we are on the ChatGPT site, and on the left corner you can see 3 icons. So the first icon shows the history. So suppose you have deleted any prompt, you can go to this and you can check. And the second icon shows a new chat section. So here you can create multiple chats. And the third icon shows the ChatGPT update. So you can get different updates related to the model here. Now, the text bar in the middle shows the area where you can write different prompts and press enter to get the answer or the solution you want. So I have a prompt for you guys. So let's test it on ChatGPT and evaluate its performance. So let me just enter the prompt and it starts generating. So it says that to create a chatbot using machine learning algorithms, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. So as you can see on the screen, ChatGPT has created a complete response based on the prompt we gave it. Next on our list, we have GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool that suggests code snippet as you type. It leverages the massive dataset of public code repositories to provide contextually relevant suggestions. So this can significantly boost productivity by reducing the time spent on repetitive tasks. Copilot is particularly useful for writing code, generating unit tests, and exploring different coding approaches. So as you can see the screen, we are on the GitHub Copilot site. GitHub Copilot generates unit tests for a Python function that passes expenses. It includes test cases for valid input and empty input and ensures proper date formatting using the unit test framework. Copilot automatically assumes that the necessary imports like date time and unit test are in place. Moving on to the next generative AI example, that is 𝐷ALL-E. 𝐷ALL-E is a text-to-image AI model capable of generating highly realistic and creative images based on your textual description. With its ability to produce images in various styles and resolution, 𝐷ALL-E is a versatile tool for artists, designers, and content creators. It can be used to generate concept art, product designs, illustrations, and even entire visual stories. So as you can see the screen, we are on the 𝐷ALL-E site. 𝐷ALL-E provides different functions related to generation. So the first is from text and next is from images. And in the prompt section, you write your prompt, then select the number of images you want, and maybe you can also select the image style and the orientation you wish to, which can be square, horizontal, vertical, or panoramic. So you can simply click on the generate and image will be generated. So now let us try by giving prompt and then click on generate. So 𝐷ALL-E uses a powerful deep learning model to process your text prompt and generate an image that matches your description. So it can create images in various styles from realistic to abstract and can even generate images based on specific artistic movements or artists. The model is constantly being trained on a new data, so it can generate increasingly accurate and creative photos over time. And next is Midjourney. Midjourney is a cutting-edge AI platform that transforms your words into stunning visuals. So by simply typing a description, you can watch as a Midjourney generates unique and captivating images that brings your ideas to life. So whether you are an artist, designer, or storyteller, Midjourney offers a powerful tool to spark creativity and explore new visual horizons. Now we are on the Midjourney site, and on the left side, the icon shows the different features of Midjourney AI. Imagine you have a vivid ideas in your mind, but you are struggling to express it visually. So Midjourney is like a skilled artist who can interrupt your thoughts and translate them into stunning images. By simply providing a textual description, you are giving Midjourney a creative prompt. The AI then uses its vast knowledge of art and visual styles to generate images that align with your vision. It's like having a personal artist at your disposal, ready to bring your imaginations to life. The next example of generative AI on our list is Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is an AI writing assistant designed to help users create high-quality content efficiently. It offers a wide range of features, including content generation, rewriting, summarization, and translation. So Jasper.ai can be used for various content creation tasks such as blog posts, social media content, marketing copy, and email campaigns. It's particularly useful for writers who needs to produce large volumes of content quickly and efficiently. Now we are on the Jasper site. So as you see in the nav bar, we have different sections like features, resources, solutions, enterprises, pricing, etc. And Jasper.ai uses a powerful language model to understand and process your prompts. So when you provide a topic or a specific request, Jasper.ai generates a relevant content by drawing from its vast database of information and creative writing techniques. It can adapt its style and tone to match your desired output, ensuring that the generated content is engaging and effective. Our next example is Stable Diffusion. So Stable Diffusion is a text-to-image AI model that generates highly detailed and artistic images based on your textual description. With its ability to create images in various styles and resolutions, Stable Diffusion is a popular tool for artists, designers, and content creators. It can be used to generate concept art, product designs, illustrations, and even entire visual stories. Now we are at the site of Stable Diffusion so that you can see the different features on the navigation bar such as prompt database, pricing details, and also the AI tools it includes. So the Stable Diffusion uses a powerful deep learning model to process your text prompts and generate an image that matches your description. So it can create images in various styles from realistic to abstract and can even generate images based on specific artistic movements or artists. So the model is constantly being trained on new data, so it can generate increasingly accurate and creative photos over time. And the next example is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is a generative AI platform that empowers users to create stunning images, graphics, and text effects with ease. So it offers a wide range of features including text-to-image generation, image editing, and style transfer. Firefly is designed to streamline the creative process and inspire new ideas, and it's particularly useful for artists, designers, and marketers who need to create high-quality visuals quickly and efficiently. So now we are at the Adobe Firefly site, and if you click on the Create and Design, so you can find sections like Quick Actions, Create New, Featured Products, and Artificial Intelligence, etc. So if you click on the products, you will learn about the different products provided by Adobe. Adobe Firefly uses a powerful deep learning model to process your prompts and generate images, graphics, or text effects. It can understand and interpret your textual description, allowing you to create custom visuals that matches your specific needs. Firefly also offers advanced features for editing and manipulating images, such as removing backgrounds, changing colors, and applying artistic styles. By combining these capabilities, Firefly empowers users to create high-quality visuals with minimal efforts. Next on our list, we have Gemini. Gemini is a powerful AI model developed by Google that excels in a wide range of tasks, including natural language understanding, text generation, and language translation. It can process and generate text, code, images, and audio, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Gemini is particularly adept at complex reasoning, problem solving, and creative content generation. It can be used for tasks such as writing essays, translating languages, generating code, and even creating art. Now we are at the Gemini site, and you can see different sections here on the left side, and in the middle we have a text bar saying enter a prompt here, where you're going to write your question or the prompt you want and press enter to get your answer. You can also see different icons in the text bar here. So the image icon is for uploading the image, and the voice icon is for speaking. So if the prompt is bigger, you can speak and it will convert your speech to text. So now let us try to upload an image and ask it to explain us. So let us take this and let us just write, please explain me about the image. So the Gemini functions by processing and analyzing large amount of data to understand and respond to prompts and questions. It uses a complex neural network architecture that allows it to learn and adapt to new information. So when you provide a prompt, Gemini processes it and generates a response based on its understanding of the language, context, and available information. So it can also perform tasks such as translation, summarization, and creative writing. Moving on to our next example, that is Runway. Runway AI is a powerful platform that provides a suite of AI-powered tools for creatives. It offers features such as image generation, video editing, and style transfer. Runway is designed to streamline the creative process and inspire new ideas, and it's particularly useful for artists, designers, and frame makers who need to create high-quality visuals quickly and efficiently. Now, we are on the site of Runway AI, and as you can see on the left side, the Runway provides many options, and in the library, you can see here, it provides workspace assets, favorite assets, custom elements, and many more. And in the tools section, we have generative videos, generative audio, text to image, and etc. Runway AI functions by leveraging advanced machine learning algorithms to process and manipulate visual data. Its tools can generate images from text description, edit and enhance existing videos, and applying various artistic styles to images and videos. And the platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows creatives to experiment with different techniques and create unique visual content with ease. Now let us get started and enter some prompt. As you can see my screen, over here you can simply drop an image or video. So let us try to drop any video. So over here it gives an option to edit. And also you have two options, maybe you can keep it in the landscape or maybe the portrait. Over here you can simply crop your video. So it's processing. Now let's try to give an image. So here you can also crop the image if you want. So if you simply click on portrait, it will change to portrait form, and you can adjust it wherever you want, however you want, and then click on crop image. So there we go. Moving on to our last example of generative AI, that is 𝐸𝐬𝐻. 𝐸𝐬𝐻 AI is a powerful AI writing assistant designed to help users create high-quality content efficiently. And it offers a wide range of features including content generation, rewriting, summarization, and language translation. 𝐸𝐬𝐻 can be used for various content creation tasks such as blog posts, social media content, marketing copy, and email campaigns. It's particularly useful for writers who need to produce large volume of content quickly and efficiently. Now we are at the site of 𝐸𝐬𝐻, and you can see we have different features provided by 𝐸𝐬𝐻 such as creating content for advertising, general writing, video, e-commerce, social media, blog, emails, and many more. And in the text box, you write your prompt and just press create. Then it will redirect you to the next page, then select different parameters on which you want to create and press generate. So we will select the options as tech professionals, click next, and it's focusing on education. So click next, and here we can go with anything and then click on generate. 𝐸𝐬𝐻 functions by using a powerful language model to understand and process your prompts. So when you provide a topic or a specific request, 𝐸𝐻 generates relevant content by drawing from its vast database of information and creative writing techniques. It can adapt its style and tone to match your desired output, ensuring that the generated content is engaging and effective. Whether you are an artist, a writer, a developer, or just curious about the future of AI, the tools we have discussed offer endless opportunities to innovate and create. So whether you're looking to bring your ideas to life or just explore the cutting edge of AI technology, these generative AI tools are a great place to start.
Want to know a secret? There are some amazing tools out there that can help you work smarter, not harder. And they are called generative AI tools, and they are changing the game for people in all kinds of industries. These generative AI tools can help you save time, boost your creativity, and get more work done in less time. So whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you. So let's dive in to learn more about the top 15 Gen AI tools together. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which tools to use for your task. So we will explore tools that can help you generate ideas, write content, and even create art. You will learn how to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data like a pro, and make prediction with ease. So we will also cover some fun tools that will make you wonder how you ever lived without them. So let's get started. First in our list, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a generative pre-trained transformer that is capable of understanding and generating human-like text. It is one of the best tools for various applications in natural language processing. ChatGPT is everywhere these days, right? People from different industries and backgrounds use it for all sorts of things. Like for example, businesses use it to help out with customer support and to find new leads and to do market research. Also, the writers, bloggers, and content creators use it to come up with interesting ideas and to make their content super engaging. And developers and technologists even use ChatGPT to build AI-powered applications, chatbots, and tools. So basically, ChatGPT is used across many more domains for different purposes. It is one of the most commonly used tools. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it gives free access to AI content development. So to use ChatGPT, simply open the interface and input a prompt or question. It can be about anything. Like for example, if you are a programmer and you want to understand how a program works, you can paste your code into ChatGPT and ask it to explain. Let me take an example to find a factorial of a number. So once you copy paste your program, just type in explain the program. And here we go. It has explained the program step by step. So just like that, you can get assistance with writing content on any topic. And if you're not satisfied with its response, you can request another one and it will provide you with as many responses as you need. Customer support representatives, content creators, developers, educators, and researchers use ChatGPT to generate text, answer questions, or engage in conversation in various applications and platforms. Let's move on to the next tool on our list, and that is Bard. Bard is a generative AI chatbot developed by Google, which is now called Gemini. It is designed for creative writing tasks and is built on Lambda, a transformer-based model. Bard can help you do tasks such as coding and solving math problems, and as well as write, plan, and learn more. You can also generate images through the Gemini. It recognizes speech in over 100 languages and help with audio translation as well. So without the need for any extra tools, Gemini can understand tricky visuals like charts and diagrams all by itself. And it is also the best tool for describing images and answering questions about them. So to get access to Gemini, you need to sign into your Google account and start chatting with Gemini. You can provide prompts with various inputs such as text, images, videos, or even code. You will also have the options to integrate with Google apps such as Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and more. So let's try it out. So imagine you have an image or a diagram that needs explaining. So all you need to do is click Upload Image and select the image from your device and type Explain the diagram. And there you have it. It provides explanation for all the 6 phases and it's really easy to use, right? And as I mentioned earlier, it can also generate an image. So let's try it out. Create a picture of a playful puppy. So as you can see the screen, Gemini has generated images, and if you're not happy with these images, you can ask to generate more images. And Bard is used for content creation and writing. So it's often used by writers, bloggers, marketers, educators, and anyone who needs assistance with generating content, brainstorming ideas, or even improving their writing skills. The next tool that we have on our list is Burden. So Burden is a generative AI tool developed by OpenAI, and it's an AI assistant that simplifies repetitive tasks and effortlessly automate tasks within work app. There's no need for complicated builders or scripts. You just tell Burden what you need and it will do the task in no time. Burden learns from you to create personalized automation, and it works with many apps and websites, making your task easier. Burden is a great tool for making work easier, so it is used by managers, sales team, recruiters, and others who want to automate repetitive tasks and get more work done efficiently. And through Burden, you can connect data and actions from one app to automate tasks in another. Also, Burden works with many popular apps to make your work easier. Burden can also handle tasks in your apps and websites like filling out forms, sending messages, or creating reports. It makes the task easy for you. And workflows are like chains of actions triggered by you or changes in your app. So they handle repetitive tasks for you, freeing up your time for more important things. The next generative AI tool on our list is Rephrase AI. Using this tool, you can effortlessly turn your text into videos. You can create professional looking videos with a digital avatar in minutes and no complex production is needed. It will convert text to video in just 3 easy steps. So first, pick your favorite digital avatar, then add your message, and finally, render your video with Rephrase Studio. Simple, right? Rephrase AI can handle over 40 languages, allowing you to create high-quality videos and animations that a person can speak using only text as input. Rephrase AI is used in various productions and content creations. Marketers and content creators often use it for social media platforms like YouTube, and even business owners use it to generate videos content quickly and efficiently. Next, moving on to Synthesia, the next tool on our list. Synthesia is a #1 AI video generation platform that effortlessly transforms text into videos. So you can produce studio quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in over 130 languages. And with over 160 ready-to-use options, you can create engaging video instantly. Choose from 160 characters to make your videos more interesting, then customize avatar outfits and logos to represent your company, and even make realistic conversations in the video to look more real. This tool will also create subtitles for your videos without doing it manually and allows you to replicate your voice. It's just fun and professional to use. Synthesia is easy to use. Simply add your script, select the language, and click Generate Video. You can also customize the AI avatar, colors, fonts, and layouts to personalize the video. Finally, download the video in MP4 format or get a shareable link. Synthesia is used widely across industries to create engaging video content. So it's used in learning, IT, sales, customer service, marketing, and enterprise to streamline various tasks from training to communication and advertising. Now moving on to DALL-E 2. It is an AI system from OpenAI that uses deep learning methodologies to produce realistic images and art just by describing them in natural language. DALL-E 2 learns from examples, so you can describe what you want in natural language and get different images and art. You can also make changes to existing pictures using the in-painting tool and replace a part of an image with AI-generated imagery. DALL-E 2 is used in creating content generation, and it's often used by artists, designers, marketers, educators, and developers who need assistance with generating visual content, creating art, designing graphics, and exploring creative possibility using AI technology. Next, Type Studio. Type Studio is a flexible editing tool ideal for podcasts, streams, interviews, and other type of content. It's a video editor that allows you to edit your video by simply editing the text transcript from the video. With its advanced AI-driven features, Type Studio streamlines the editing process, enabling content creators, podcasters, and businesses to produce high-quality videos and podcasts with minimal efforts and time. Type Studio provides a range of features, including auto-subtitling, transcribing videos, converting video to articles, converting text to articles, translating subtitles, adding images to video podcast, voiceovers, and editing podcast. And next on our list, we have Descript. Descript is your all-in-one solution for writing, recording, transcribing, editing, collaborating, and sharing your videos and podcast. In Descript, editing video feels as simple as working with documents and slides. Podcasters can effortlessly edit multi-track audio similar to editing a document, and screen recording are instantly captured, edited, and shared. Transcription is speedy and accurate with powerful correction tools. And finally, content can be repurposed into clips using templates, subtitles, and more. Descript offers a wide range of powerful AI features to elevate your video and podcast. Firstly, you can seamlessly edit videos by editing text. Descript transcribes your video content, allowing you to make edits just as effortlessly as you would in a document. Secondly, with AI voice cloning, you can create ultra-realistic AI voice clones and generate text-to-speech in a matter of seconds. Additionally, Transcript provides studio-quality sounds with just one click through its studio sound features, which removes background noise and polishes up audio instantly. Lastly, the green screen effects allows you to remove your video background and place your subject anywhere with a simple click. These features are helpful for a wide range of users, including content creators, podcasters, filmmakers, educators, and businesses. Next, moving on to Compose AI. Compose AI is an AI-powered writing tool and a free Chrome plugin that generates text using artificial intelligence. It helps you complete sentences as you type and speeds up the process of writing emails, creating documents, and chatting. Also, it will help in rephrasing the sentences. You can integrate this tool in your existing platforms and tools to speed up tasks and to save time. This tool is used to generate content, streamline writing processes, to enhance productivity, and to create engaging material for their audience. Marketers, content creators, writers, and businesses utilizes this tool. The top 10 tool on our list is ChatSonic. ChatSonic is one of the leading alternatives of GPT on Google. So if you want insights on any of your PDFs, documents, or links, Simply drag and drop the file into 𝐶hatSonic and ask for a quick summary. You can even chat with your images. 𝐶hatSonic accepts images as inputs and responds to any queries you have about them. But that's not all. It also creates AI images and delivers high quality output quickly. 𝐶hatSonic makes it easy to stay organized with advanced note-taking, keeps conversation flowing with smart flow-up questions, provide quick access with the Chrome extensions, and lets you customize its tone and style, simplifies teamwork, and fine-tune your prompt for better results. The top reasons 𝐶hatSonic excel include: it allows real-time Google search integration, chat with your PDF and docs, chat with your images, summarize web pages, generate human-like voiceovers, write in your brand voice. Also, it allows AI image generation and inbuilt fact checks and more. 𝐶hatSonic is used by professionals, businesses, educators, researchers, and content creators to streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and to leverage AI technology for various needs. Next, Tom. With Tom, you can craft impactful presentation in less time. Its AI-driven features and personalized tools simplify the creation of sales and marketing materials that leave a lasting impression. It effortlessly generates presentations, pages, outlines, images, and even text with Tom's advanced AI capabilities. Tom is useful in sales, marketing, startups, product teams, and customer success. And it's a great starting point for any project. So explore various projects or express your ideas promptly with Tom's versatile templates. You can choose from founder, creative, design, product, sales, personal, marketing, education, and career. And next on our list, we have Design.AI. With Design.AI, you can produce logos, videos, banners, and mockups using AI in just 2 minutes. It just simplifies your workflows, saves times, and also reduces cost with this platform. Design.AI is a platform that uses AI to help you create, edit, and scale content effortlessly. You will get all your content tools in just one place. And tools such as Face Swapper, that the Face Swapper smoothly integrates your face into any picture or video. Logo Maker, that will help you launch your brand with a unique logo and full brand identity kit using AI generator. Next, Image Maker creates custom image effortlessly from your ideas with text to image generator. And more tools such as Video Maker, Speech Maker, Design Maker, AI Writer, and more. And these creative tools are suitable for all content creators, including influencers, small businesses, startups, educators, enterprises, agencies, and more. Now moving on to Midjourney AI. So Midjourney is a cool AI tool that blends art and tech. You can describe what you want in words and it turns those descriptions into stunning pictures. So, by using advanced algorithms, it turns words into unique artworks. Midjourney uses machine learning algorithms to interpret and analyze the data. So, this data can be in the form of text, audio, or image. And after getting this data, the algorithm will use it to generate new images, sounds, or other media type based on the patterns it finds in the data. Midjourney is used by many businesses, startups, and organizations seeking assistance with website development, app creation, branding, user experience design, and related services. And next we have GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a code completion tool developed by GitHub, which is owned by Microsoft and OpenAI. So when provided with a programming problem in natural language, Copilot is capable of generating solution code, and it is also able to describe input code in English and translate the code between programming languages. It assists the users of Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and JetBrains integrated development environments by auto-completing code. It works best for users coding in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, and Go. And in March 2023, GitHub announced plans for Copilot X, which will incorporate a chatbot based on GPT-4, as well as support for voice commands into Copilot. The last tool on our list is AlphaCode. By combining AI and competitive programming, it serves as a virtual assistant, guiding programmers through coding and providing smart suggestions. The features of AlphaCode is to leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amount of code and learn from patterns. This enables it to generate optimized code solution. And AlphaCode's machine learning models are trained on extensive code repositories, enabling it to comprehend programming concepts and patterns. So this helps in analyze problems and generate optimized code snippets, saving programmers time and effort. With AlphaCode, programming learners and competitive programmers gain access to a unique tool that enables them to explore problem-solving strategies in a groundbreaking way. Generative AI is reshaping industries and economics at this staggering pace. Reports by Goldman Sachs and PwC Global highlights that AI has the potential to significantly boost global GDP and labor productivity while driving economic gains of up to 45% by 2030. So, let's dive into how you can prepare for a lucrative generative AI career. So, to get started with Gen AI, start with the natural language processing. Natural language processing is the branch of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. So here's what you need to learn. First, start with the basics of NLP. Learn how machines understand and process language. Next, parts of speech tagging, where you need to understand how to label words with grammatical tags. Next, text processing. Here, learn techniques for cleaning and preparing text data for models. Next, named entity recognition, where you need to learn to build models that identify entities like names and dates. Next, text vectorization. Study methods to convert text into numerical data using techniques like bag of words and embeddings. Next, learn about large language models. Well, large language models are powerful AI systems trained on massive datasets to understand and generate human-like text. Here, dive into different types of LLMs like Llama, Falcon, and Gemini. Next, transformers, where you need to learn about their architecture, including the encoder, decoder, and attention mechanism. Next, read the seminal paper, Attention is All You Need for the In-Depth Understanding. In this paper, you can read about the transformers in depth. Next, working with APIs. APIs, that stands for Application Programming Interfaces, allow you to integrate and extend functionality in your projects, and they can be paid or unpaid. So in this video, we will mostly tell you about free API sources. Use free API platforms like Glitch, Postman, Moki, Heroku, Rapid API, and Firebase functions. Also build APIs with platforms like Group to create generative AI integrations, and you can also use Hugging Face for free resources. Now, as you can see here, we are at the group platform, and on the top we have this developer option, and once you hover on it, you can see options like free API creation, and once you click on it, it will redirect you to this, where on your left you can see different options. Now, if you want to check about the model, then click on the playground. Then on your right you have the Llama model. So if you click on that, you can see different model group website provides, and these are all for free. Next, click on Create API Key, and here give any name to your API key, and that's it. You have your own API key now. So from here you can copy it and use it. Also, you can create as many API keys as you want. You can explore Hugging Face for pre-trained models and datasets. So now we are at the site of Hugging Face. You can see options like models, datasets, space, post, docs, etc. Now, suppose you want to code for your model, then click on model, and it will redirect you here, where you can see options like libraries, datasets, language, or licensed models, etc. Now, select the model according to your project. As you can see, we have different options here, so select your model and use this website as much as you want. Next, start building mini projects for practice. So here, start applying your knowledge with hands-on projects such as named entity recognition models, next, translators and summarizer, sentiment analysis systems, also the text-to-speech or speech-to-text applications. After building mini projects, you can move on to advanced topics. So to enhance your skills in AI, focus on techniques like quantization to optimize models for faster and more efficient deployments, particularly in resource-constrained environments. Then, dive into fine-tuning large language models to customize pre-trained models for specific tasks, unlocking their full potential for tailored applications. Additionally, explore the LangChain framework, a powerful Python library for building generative AI pipelines. Practice using its comprehensive documentations and tutorial videos to deepen your understandings. So if you haven't already watched our video featuring to LangChain project, it provides valuable insights and practical examples to get you started with this versatile tool. And this, Edureka's Generative AI certification and training will teach you Python programming, data science, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and many other updated technologies that a beginner or advanced learner is seeking. Now, after much practice, you must know how to develop a backend and a frontend. So, start with the backend, because when you start with the backend, you will deal with real-life problems and have a thorough knowledge of your coding language too. So, for backend development, you can leverage frameworks like Fast API, Django, and Flask to create robust and efficient server-side applications. These frameworks are well suited for handling API creation, request routing, and server-side logic, making them essential for modern web development. To manage and store data effectively, consider using databases such as MySQL or MongoDB, which offer reliable and scalable solutions for structured and unstructured data respectively. Combining these tools allows you to build powerful data-driven applications with ease and efficiency. Edureka's Python Developer Masters program, crafted by an industry expert, will give you extensive knowledge about Python and its libraries. Also, with a hands-on project, you will gain proficiency in data science, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. So if you are a beginner and want to upskill yourself, you can check out this certification. You can also consider a Django certification training course, where you will be guided by industry experts and gain insights into Django REST framework, Django models, Django Ajax, Django query, and many other top technologies. Also, if you are looking for particular database certification courses, you can check out the MongoDB certification training course, which will give you deep insights into backend database technologies. When you are thorough with the backend, next, moving on to frontend. For front-end development, focus on creating user-friendly interfaces to complete your projects effectively. Start with basic web development by mastering foundational technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build responsive and visually appealing designs. As you progress, explore advanced JavaScript frameworks such as React.js, Vue.js, or Angular, which provide powerful tools for building dynamic, interactive, and scalable web applications. These frameworks streamline the development process and enhance the user experience, making them essential for modern front-end development. Edureka's Web Developer Master Program will give you insights into HTML, CSS, and other web development tools. So if you are a beginner and want to upskill yourself, you can check out this certification course. Also, you can check out the Full Stack Web Development Program, which will teach you front-end and back-end development with the core technologies you need as a beginner. Now, having both front-end and back-end complete, you need one more thing for your journey, that is version control with Git and GitHub. Version control is essential for tracking changes in your projects and collaborating efficiently with others. And by learning to use Git commands, you can manage versioning, maintain a history of your work, and seamlessly revert to previous states if needed. Additionally, leveraging platforms like GitHub enables you to deploy and manage projects, collaborate with team members, and showcase your work to a broader audience, making it an indispensable skill for developers. Edureka's Git certification training will give you insights into version control, from scripting to Git workflow, everything you need to know about version control. So, if you are a beginner and want to upskill yourself, you can check out this certification training course. And by following this roadmap and practicing consistently, you will develop a strong foundation and advanced skills to excel in a high-paying career in generative AI. So start today, and remember, hands-on project and continuous learning are the key to success.
Let's explore the real-life rewards of generative AI. The first one is it automates and innovates the content generation. AI-driven tools create high-quality text, images, and videos, revolutionizing the content creation across the industry. It optimizes the product designs. AI enhances the product development by stimulating the refining designs, reducing cost and time to market. The next one is strengthens the cybersecurity efforts. AI detects and analyzes the threats against the cyber attacks. The next one is advances healthcare research. AI accelerates the drug discovery, medical imaging analysis, and personalized treatment plans, improving the patient's outcome. And the last one is drives digital transformation. AI integrates with businesses' system to automate the workflows, enhance the decision making, and optimize the operational efficiency. So now let us look at some real-life example. Recently, Walmart, in collaboration with Microsoft, announced a major AI-driven initiative. Walmart has partnered with Microsoft to integrate AI-powered solutions into retail operations. This collaboration aims to enhance both customer experience and employee efficiency by leveraging the advanced AI tools. So, what are the main benefits of AI-driven initiative? Here are some key points. The first one is personalized shopping experience. The next one is AI-powered associate support. The next one is content creation automation. Next on, we have improved customer service. And last but not the least, operational efficiency. So this partnership showcases how AI is revolutionizing retail, making businesses smarter, faster, and more customer-centric. So now let's look at another exciting real-world application of AI, but this time it is the field of medicine. Scientists at Stanford had developed a tool called 𝐶𝐶, which is helping to create new antibiotics to fight drugs. This is a huge breakthrough because antibiotic resistance is a major global health challenge. So what has this AI tool achieved so far? Here are some key points. Scientists use 𝐶𝐶 to design antibiotics that can fight resistant bacteria. It generated 25,000 possible antibiotics candidates, giving researchers a massive head start. It provided detailed recipes for making these drugs efficiently in the lab. Out of all candidates, scientists identified 6 compounds that actually work against the resistant bacteria. This technology isn't just limited to antibiotics, it's now being used to explore the treatments of heart disease and even fluorescent module design. So this is a game changer in medicine, providing that AI can do much more than just chatbots and automation. It can literally help to save a life. So now we have seen how AI is transforming the industry, but it also comes with an ethical challenges and risk. Let's take a look. One big issue is output quality. AI can produce incorrect or unreliable results. It can also generate made-up facts and hallucinations, creating false information. Another concern is biased output, where AI reflects biasness from its training data. There are also copyright and other legal risks. AI-generated content might violate the intellectual property laws. AI is also vulnerable to abuse, meaning it can be misused for misinformation and harmful purpose. Lastly, the cost of expertise and compute makes AI expensive and less accessible. These challenges highlight the need for responsible AI development. So now that we have seen the ethical challenges of generative AI, let's look at some real-life examples where these risks have had significant impact. Recently, a report highlighted that DeepSeek's AI app is openly sending users' data from US to China. This has raised major concerns, especially in the light of past controversies surrounding the data security and privacy. This incident had drawn attention to ethical and security risks. This situation brings us several key challenges. The first one is data transmission to China. User data being directly sent raises concerns about the privacy and the control. The next one is lack of transparency. Users may not be fully aware of where their data is going and how it is being used. The next one is government scrutiny. Authorities may impose regulations or restrictions due to national security concerns. The next one is global backlash. Countries worldwide might be stricter against AI platforms handling the sensitive data. The next one is potential exploitation of third parties. There is a risk that collected data could be misused or shared with the other entities without consent. So now let's look at another major challenge, data leaks and their consequences. Recently, a report from Business Insider revealed that Amazon warned its employees not to share confidential data with ChatGPT. The concern arose after some AI-generated responses were found to closely match Amazon's internal information, highlighting the risk of sensitive data leaks. Such incidents bring several serious risks, for example, data privacy concern, intellectual property exposure, unintended data retention, regulatory compliance issues, and erosion of customer trust. So this case with Amazon is just one example of why companies must carefully manage the AI interaction to prevent the potential data leaks and security violations. So now let's look at another major risk of generative AI that's making headlines worldwide. That is deepfake. Deepfakes are one of the biggest risks of generative AI. AI-generated fake videos, audios, and images can be misused in dangerous ways. Scammers use them for fraud, identity theft, and misinformation, leading to financial losses and manipulations. Fake videos of public figures spread false narratives, while AI-generated explicit content violates the privacy. As deepfakes become more advanced, they are eroding trust in media and creating serious ethical challenges. While deepfakes highlights the dangers of generative AI, it's very important for us to focus on how we can develop and use AI ethically to minimize these risks. Ethical generative AI ensures that the technology benefits the society while preventing the harm. To achieve this, we must focus on key principles. The first one is transparency and accountability to ensure that the AI systems are open and responsible, bias and fairness to prevent the discrimination, privacy protection to safeguard the user data. Additionally, AI should prioritize avoiding harmful content and give users consent and control over how their data is used. By implementing these principles, we can build a future where generative AI is both powerful and ethical. So now that we have explored the ethical aspect of generative AI, let's look ahead and discuss what the future holds for the technology. The future of generative AI is filled with exciting possibilities. We can expect wider adoption across industries, transforming the field like healthcare, finance, and entertainment. AI will continue to enhance creativity and content generation, making it a valuable tool for artists, writers, and businesses. With the advancement, better customization will allow AI to generate more personalized experience. At the same time, human-AI collaboration will grow, enabling more seamless interaction. A key focus will be on responsible AI development, ensuring stronger ethical frameworks and regulations to create the safer and more trustworthy AI-driven future.
Let's first look at the Gen AI impact on the market. So here is the graph illustrating the potential impact of generative AI on the job market. It suggests that while generative AI will lead to the job losses, it will also create new job opportunities. The number of jobs influenced by generative AI is projected to increase significantly over the next few years, far exceeding the number of jobs lost. This indicates that while some jobs may be automated, generative AI is expected to drive overall job growth and create new economic opportunities. Next, the graph median salary of Gen AI professionals across years of experience in India. This shows a clear upward trend in salaries with increasing experience. Professionals with 0 to 3 years of experience earn a median salary of around 10 lakhs per annum. This figure steadily increases to 12 lakhs for 3 to 6 years of experience, 16 lakhs for 6 to 10 years, and 19 lakhs for 10 to 12 years. The highest median salary at 23 lakhs is observed for professionals with 12 plus years of experience in the Gen AI field. This indicates a strong correlation between experience and earning potential in India's field of generative AI. And last but not least, the graph Generative AI Market Size 2023 to 2033. And this illustrates the projected growth of the generative AI market. It shows a significant upward trend, with the market size expected to increase from $17.65 billion in 2023 to a staggering $803.90 billion by 2033. The market is projected to grow at a rapid pace, with substantial increases anticipated each year. This indicates a strong demand for generative AI solutions and its potential to revolutionize various industries. Now, the era of generative AI is leading in a new wave of career opportunities. From crafting prompts to managing AI products and ensuring ethical development, the demand for skilled professionals is surging. As AI continues to evolve, roles like generative AI research scientists and synthetic data engineers are emerging, promising exciting career paths at the forefront of technological innovation. So, embrace the future and explore these top 5 career opportunities to unlock your potential in the world of generative AI. Now, the first one we have is AI Prompt Engineer. An AI prompt engineer focuses on designing prompts to optimize AI outputs, ensuring that models generate accurate, relevant, and high-quality responses. This role involves crafting prompts for tools like ChatGPT to effectively solve specific business problems or creative writing tasks. Now that you know about AI Prompt Engineer, now let us explore the skills and tools required for it. First, talking about skills. Prompt engineering involves crafting effective instructions for AI models like ChatGPT.
A strong understanding of natural language processing is very essential for this, as it helps in guiding models to process and comprehend human language accurately. Creativity plays a vital role, enabling the development of innovative and imaginative prompts that lead to unique and valuable outputs from AI models. Next, let us talk about tools. Python, a versatile programming language, is widely used in AI and machine learning, including for building and interacting with AI models. Hugging Face, a popular platform, provides access to a vast collection of pre-trained AI models and tools for natural language processing and other AI tasks. Specialized prompt engineering tools assist users in crafting and refining prompts, offering suggestions and optimization techniques. Additionally, LangChain can be used to integrate multiple AI models into more complex applications, further enhancing the capabilities of prompt engineering. Hence, by mastering these skills and utilizing these tools, AI prompt engineers can effectively harness the power of AI models to generate creative and valuable content. And with the rise of prompt-based AI tools, the demand for this role is rapidly growing across various industries. And the salary range for an AI prompt engineer in India is 6 to 10 lakhs per annum, and in the United States, they earn between $100,000 to $150,000 annually, depending on expertise and location. Now, we have the next career, which is AI Product Manager. An AI Product Manager leads the development of AI-driven products, aligning technical teams with business goals and user needs. This role involves managing the release of AI-powered tools such as customer service solutions or recommendation systems for e-commerce platforms. Now that you know about AI Product Manager, so let us explore the skills and tools required for it. First, talking about skills, product lifecycle management involves overseeing the entire journey of an AI product from ideation to post-launch support, including market research, planning, development, testing, and maintenance. A solid understanding of AI fundamentals such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing is essential for managing AI product development effectively. Strong leadership skills are necessary for guiding cross-functional teams, including engineers, data scientists, and designers, ensuring clear communication, decision-making, and the ability to inspire and motivate team members throughout the process. Next, talking about tools, Agile development is a methodology that encourages iterative development and collaboration, making it ideal for AI product development due to its flexibility and adaptability in response to the rapid evolution of AI technologies. Jira is a widely used project management tool for tracking tasks, bugs, and features throughout the development process. Miro, a collaborative whiteboard tool, helps teams brainstorm, visualize, and organize ideas, facilitating effective collaboration during the product development journey. Hence, by mastering these skills and utilizing these tools, AI product managers can effectively lead the development and launch of successful AI products. And as organizations increasingly integrate AI into their products, there is a strong demand for skilled professionals to guide the process. And the salary range for an AI product manager in India ranges between 16 to 29 lakhs per annum. And in the United States, they earn between $100,000 to $200,000 annually. In our list, next we have AI Ethics Specialist. An AI Ethics Specialist ensures that AI systems comply with ethical guidelines and regulations, focusing on fairness, transparency, and accountability. This role involves auditing AI models to prevent bias in hiring tools or ensuring compliance with privacy laws like GDPR. Now that you know about AI Ethics Specialist, so let us explore the skills and tools required for an AI Ethics Specialist. First, talking about skills, a strong understanding of ethics in AI is crucial, covering principles like bias, fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI development and deployment. Knowledge of compliance standards such as GDPR and HIPAA ensures that AI systems are developed and used ethically and legally. Critical analysis is also vital, as the ability to assess AI systems and identify potential ethical risks and biases is a key skill for AI ethics specialists. Next, talking about tools, GDPR, that stands for General Data Protection Regulation, is a European Union law that governs the process of personal data, setting strict standards for data privacy and security, especially for AI systems handling personal data. HIPAA, that stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, is a US law that establishes standards for protecting sensitive health information, requiring AI systems dealing with healthcare data to comply with its regulations. The OECD AI principles, developed by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, offer a framework for ethical AI development addressing topics such as human rights, inclusivity, and environmental impact. Hence, by mastering these skills and understanding these tools, AI ethics specialists can play a crucial role in ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly, ethically, and in compliance with relevant regulations. As governments and organizations play a higher emphasis on responsible AI deployment, the demand for AI ethics specialists is increasing. And the average salary in India for AI ethics specialists is 14,02,849 rupees annually. In the United States, for this role typically falls between $80,000 to $120,000 annually. Next on the list, we have Generative AI Research Scientist. Generative AI Research Scientist develops and fine-tunes new generative models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or DALL-E to advance AI capabilities. And this role involves working on foundational models for text-to-image tools or improving large language models for tasks such as translation and summarization. Now that we know about Generative AI Research Scientist, so let us explore the skills and tools required to be a Generative AI Research Scientist. Well, first talking about skills, deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses artificial neural networks to learn complex patterns from large datasets, and it's fundamental for developing generative AI models. Understanding neural networks, including their architecture and functioning, is crucial for designing and training these models. Additionally, a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics is essential for understanding and implementing the algorithms that power generative AI models. Now talking about tools, Python is a versatile programming language widely used in AI and machine learning, including for developing and training generative models. TensorFlow, an open source platform developed by Google, provides tools and libraries for building and training complex machine learning and deep learning models. PyTorch, another popular open source machine learning framework, is known for its flexibility and ease of use, making it a preferred choice for research and development. Hence, by mastering these skills and utilizing these tools, generative AI research scientists can push the boundaries of AI and develop innovative solutions for a wide range of applications. And due to the explosive growth of generative AI, there is a high demand for this role in tech companies and research institutions. The salary range for a generative AI research scientist in India is 19 to 30 lakhs per annum, and in the United States, they earn between $158,000 annually, with top companies offering even higher compensation. Finally, we have synthetic data engineer. A synthetic data engineer creates and manages synthetic data to train AI models when real-world data is unavailable, incomplete, or sensitive. This role involves generating synthetic data such as medical data to train healthcare diagnostic AI systems without risking patient privacy. Now that we know about synthetic data engineer, so let us explore the skills and tools required for a synthetic data engineer. First, talking about skills, a strong foundation in data science is crucial for understanding data, its distribution, and the techniques required to generate synthetic data that closely resembles real-world data. And knowledge of various data generation techniques such as statistical modeling, machine learning, and generative models is essential for creating high-quality synthetic datasets. Additionally, understanding data dynamics and how data evolves over time is important for generating synthetic data that accurately reflects real-world trends and patterns. Next, talking about tools, Python is a versatile programming language widely used in data science and machine learning, offering a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for data generation and analysis. TensorFlow, an open source platform developed by Google, provides tools and libraries for building and training generative models. Additionally, various AI tools, including generative models and machine learning algorithms, are used to create synthetic data that is statistically similar to real-world data. Hence, by mastering these skills and utilizing these tools, synthetic data engineers can create high-quality synthetic data that can be used to train AI models, test algorithms, and conduct privacy-perceiving data analysis. Now that the demand for this role is growing in industries like healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles, where data privacy and scarcity present significant challenges. The salary range for a synthetic data engineer in India is 9 to 15 lakhs per annum, and in the United States, it is $106,000 annually.
Now that we have a wealth of knowledge about career opportunities, and you might be wondering if they will continue to grow in the future. So to answer that, we have a few global reports from AI career growth. Well, global AI market growth says that in coming years, the global AI market is projected to reach a staggering of $190 billion, and this significant growth is expected to create millions of job opportunities worldwide. Also, the soaring demand for AI specialist report says that the demand for AI specialists has witnessed a remarkable surge, growing by 74% annually over the past 5 years. And this data is sourced from the LinkedIn Emerging Jobs report. And in industries driving AI demand, the report says that industries such as healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles are experiencing significant growth, leading to a high demand for AI professionals to drive innovation and development in these sectors. Overall, this underscores the exciting future of AI careers, with numerous opportunities for skilled professionals to contribute to the advancement of technology and shape the industries of tomorrow. Since you are now familiar with most of the skill set and tools, you might be wondering where to find certifications, courses, and resources to master them. So we have resources to build skills. First, Prompt Engineering with Generative AI course offered by Edureka. This course is designed to teach learners how to effectively use prompts to generate desired outputs from artificial intelligence models. The course highlights the growing importance of prompt engineering in the field of AI and its potential to transform problem-solving and creative process. Next, Machine Learning Course Master's Program offered by Edureka. This course is designed to teach learners how to effectively use concepts like machine learning, deep learning, and data science along with some essential tools. Next, Artificial Intelligence Course for Beginners offered by Edureka. The course is designed by industry experts and focuses on helping learners improve their AI and machine learning skills. It covers fundamental concepts like classification and regression algorithms and prepares learners for roles like AI solution consultant, technical support engineer for AI products, and AI research assistant. Now, we have some recommendations for those who enjoy reading and hands-on practice through books. So first book on artificial intelligence, a guide for thinking humans that provides a comprehensive introduction to AI, making it accessible to a wide audience. Next, on deep learning, that is considered a foundational text in the field of deep learning. It covers the mathematical and computational underpinnings of deep learning techniques. Next, the Oxford Handbook of Ethics of AI, that explores the ethical implications of AI, addressing topics such as bias, fairness, accountability, and transparency. It offers valuable insights into the societal and ethical challenges posed by AI. And these books collectively provide a solid foundation in AI, covering both technical aspects and broader societal implications. They are valuable resources for anyone interested in learning more about AI and its potential impact on the future. Let's dive into why generative AI truly matters. First up, creative automation. Generative AI makes content creation a breeze across fields like writing, image generation, music, and design. It's transforming how fast and efficient we can produce content, making life a whole lot easier for creatives everywhere. Then we have enhanced decision making. Generative AI digs through massive datasets to provide meaningful insights, which helps drive smarter decisions. This is crucial in areas like finance, healthcare, and business strategies, where every decision can have a big impact. Personalized user experience comes next. Generative AI enables personalized content, recommendations, and interactions, creating more engaging experience for users. Whether it's online shopping, digital marketing, or streaming services, personalizations makes a huge difference in user satisfaction. Now, on to healthcare innovation. Generative AI is accelerating drug discovery, helping simulate complex biological interactions and crafting personalized treatment plans. This translates to better patient outcomes and faster advancement in medicine. We also see increased productivity. Generative AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on more strategic work. This is especially helpful in industries like software development and content production. Moving on to educational transformation. Generative AI is tailoring learning materials and tools for students, offering a more customized and adaptive learning experience.
It's reshaping how students learn and engage with educational content. Then, there is driving autonomous systems. Generative AI plays a key role in developing autonomous tech like self-driving cars and robotics. It enables these systems to make complex, real-time decisions, paving the way for smarter automation. Finally, we have cross-industry innovation. Generative AI is opening new doors across sectors like finance, retail, and customer service, giving companies a competitive edge with innovative solutions. So, what skills do you need to succeed in generative AI? Here's a breakdown of the key technical skills that are essential. First, we have programming skills. Mastery of programming languages like Python is a must. Python is particularly popular in AI due to its versatile and the availability of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Next, machine learning expertise. You should have a strong understanding of machine learning concepts and algorithms. Familiarity with different machine learning frameworks is also beneficial. Next, data handling skills. Comfort in working with large datasets is crucial. This includes data cleaning, pre-processing, and visualization. Next, deep learning knowledge. Understanding neural networks, convolutional networks, and recurrent networks is vital, as generative AI heavily relies on these concepts. Next, mathematics and statistics. A solid foundation in linear algebra, calculus, and statistics will help you understand how algorithms work and optimize them effectively. Finally, creativity and critical thinking. Don't forget the importance of creativity. Being able to think outside the box will enable you to come up with innovative solutions in generative AI. By building these skills, you will not only prepare for technical challenges but also become a valuable asset in the job market. Now, if you are eager to jump into generative AI, here's a roadmap based on what I have learned along the way. First, start with the basics. Let's kick things off by building a strong foundation in AI. I recommend Edureka's AI certification course as a great starting point. In this course, you will get hands-on with core tools like Python and data handling, plus set up basic AI tools like the OS module and NLTK for natural language processing. These essentials gives you a solid base for a more advanced AI skills. Next, get certified. Certifications really help you stand out and make sure you are covering industry-relevant topics. A few key ones to consider are the Responsible AI certification, where you will dive into the ethical AI and tools for fairness like IBM's AI Fairness 360. Next, the Prompt Engineering course. If you're interested in making AI chats more intuitive with optimized prompts using OpenAI's APIs. These certifications build your skills while highlighting your knowledge to potential employers. Next, gain hands-on experience. Next up is a real-world practice, which is a must. Edureka's Mastering Generative AI Tools course is a great option here. You will learn popular tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch and work on projects like image synthesis and text generation. This gives you the confidence to apply AI in real-world scenarios. Networking is super valuable in AI. It opens doors and keeps you updated. Through Edureka's ChatGPT training course, you get more than just skills. You connect with other AI learners and share insights. Plus, you will work with tools like OpenAI API and learn to build customer support bots, which is a great asset. Next, specialize yourself. To stand out, consider specializing in a specific area. Here are some courses to consider. First, AI for software developers, which is focused on using GitHub Copilot and deploying models with AWS. Next, AI in retail. This one covers personalized recommendations and other retail-focused AI solutions using TensorFlow recommenders and Google's Vertex AI. Next, GitHub Copilot training. Learn how to use this AI-powered coding assistant for enhanced productivity. Now, let us move on to the job opportunities in generative AI. As you prepare, consider these various roles you can pursue in generative AI. First, we have AI research scientist. Specializes in advancing AI technology by developing new methodologies and exploring cutting-edge innovations. Next, AI product manager. Manages the development of AI-driven products, ensuring they meet user needs and align with business objectives. Next, NLP engineer. focuses on natural language processing, enhancing human-computer interaction through language-based technologies. Next, AI Solutions Architect designs AI-based solutions tailored to address specific organizational goals and challenges. Next, AI Ethics Researcher investigates the ethical implications of AI technologies, ensuring responsible and fair AI development. Next, AI Consultant provides expert guidance to businesses on effectively implementing and utilizing AI strategies for growth. Now, let's talk about a question that's on many people's minds. Is generative AI taking over jobs, or is it just reshaping them? The answer to the question is no, it's not eating our jobs. Instead, generative AI is reshaping jobs by automating repetitive tasks in areas like customer service, design, and content creation. While it handles routine work, jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making remain secure as AI struggles with all these complex tasks. Generative AI boosts productivity as a partner, helping us focus on strategy and creativity.
And with this, we have come to an end to this session on what is generative AI. If you enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment on any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. And do look up for more videos and playlists and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you for watching and happy learning.